Good evening, everyone. I welcome all of you to this valedictory session of E&ICT Academy, sponsored faculty development program on AI in cloud computing, theory, practice, and application, which we conducted from 15 to today, 26th April 2024. So it is jointly organized by E&ICT Academy and Department of Computer Science Engineering, NIT Warangal. And the coordinator of this program is Dr. Priyanka Chawla Madam, Associate Professor in the Department of CSE, NIT Warangal, and myself. So we got 51 participants in this faculty development program. So we conducted around 20 sessions of 2 hours, almost 2 hours each. And I think except last 2 days, I have shared all the videos with all of you, and you can make utilize of these videos. And the last 2 days videos also I'll upload, and I'll share the link in WhatsApp description, so that you can go through these videos whenever is required. I'll also request all the resource persons to share the materials. So if they share, then I'll put in the material folder, so which you can also access. That is also link is given in the WhatsApp description, so you can download. So Priyanka madam has already shared two important link with you. One is the feedback link. You can see in the chat box, we have a feedback link and we have a test link. So you can fill this feedback link and test link by today midnight. I know most of you are working professionals, so we don't have any bound. So, but you have to spend little bit of time. So it will take hardly 5 to 10 minutes to cover both test as well as feedback. So also these links are shared in WhatsApp group, and I also shared the same thing via email, and it is also available in our group description. There you can get. And although we have taken the written feedback, but we want some verbal feedback also as a part of our assessment regarding this faculty development program, speakers, and how we conducted this program. So once you give the feedback verbally as well as written, so it will help us to improve our faculty development programs, upcoming programs. So any participant wants to give verbal feedback, now you can unmute and introduce yourself to all the participant, all the other participant, and give your feedback. Yeah, any participant?
Uh, Hello, sir. Good evening. I'm Dr. Jagjit Singh
Yeah,
from
good evening, sir.
Sahit
Jagdish sir.
Kumar Government College, Tigaon, Faridabad, Haryana. And sir, it was like a wonderful event for all of us, I think. And especially, I enjoyed it. I can confirm that all the sessions were very like informative. And actually, I was expecting there'll be some hands-on training sessions also, uh, but I think that can be added more in future if you are be conducting such FDPs, like where we can actually do some training or something like that. Yeah. And there is one request also from me. It is about the session on quantum computing, and this resource person was telling us about some quantum simulation, and he told us that it is free, but I checked it and we could not find those resources where I can use that quantum simulator. So like if you can get some resource where I can do it, where I can use it free of cost, that will be really, I think, useful for us. So if you can connect with that resource person and get us some like
Yeah.
link or something in mail, that will be really good for, I think, all of us.
Yeah, Jagdish sir, in program schedule, I have kept all the email IDs of the resource persons.
Yes, sir.
Although I'll request the concerned resource persons to share the slide, and video is already shared with you. I'll request him to address your query because it is a limited time to cover all the topics.
Yeah,
So
yes.
you can personally email him. I will also convey your
All
name to
right,
him.
then I will email him directly. That's not a problem.
Yeah, yeah, you can touch with that resource person. And he's also offering so many courses on the quantum computing.
Okay,
So
sir.
you can attend the program so that you will get more insights related to quantum and cloud computing integration also.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you so much. It was really a great session, I think, and we enjoyed every session. So thankful. We are thankful to you, sir. We You provided us this opportunity, and in future also we'll be looking forward to get in touch
Yeah,
with the NIT Warangal for such wonderful FDP sessions. Thank you,
yeah,
sir.
thank you very much, sir. Any other participant? Any other participant wants to give feedback? You can unmute and say a few words.
Sanjay sir, good evening. Good evening. Good evening to all
Yeah,
of you.
good evening,
Yeah,
Alok sir.
I'm Alok Ranjan Tripathi from Cuttack, Institute of Management and Information Technology. Actually,
Sir,
the
yes,
program is very, very nice program. You have organized the nice program, right? So in future, if you will conduct such type of program, then you just that means our mail is already registered with you people.
yeah,
Then you can just send the link so that we can join here, right?
sure, sir,
So,
sure.
so actually, you have organized a nice, very nice workshop. Yeah, FDP. Yeah,
Yes,
that
sir.
means already Jagdish sir have already mentioned that some hands-on it is also required. But
Yes,
being the part of computer science, that means fraternity, we can say that uh, without that means FDP can be possible if it will be in the form of that means a physical mode. That will be better for us because
yeah,
it is
yeah, yeah.
online. That means today's we are facing the same problem. That means
Yes,
that means our colleagues, that means some of the participant have muted the uh, microphone, right? So
yes,
that means if it will be arranged in physical mode, then it will be better. But we cannot. That means from Odisha to Warangal, it is too difficult, right?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I think this will, if such type of program will be continued, then you just intimate us, and obviously we'll join. Okay, thank you, sir.
Yes, thank you very much. Yeah, any other participant wants to say a few words? You can unmute and say something.
Good evening. Good evening, sir.
Yes, yes, Seema madam.
Yes, sir. Sir, first of all, thanks a lot for organizing such an FGP. I have attended approx 10 to 11 FDPs till now, but the FDP that you organize and given from 3 to 7, it was such a nice experience for me because FDPs are organized, but only for the 2 hours, and that not give us a complete knowledge about that. And second thing that I like on your FDP is that you have covered the topic and the sequence that you have done, means the resource person sequence that they have made for the presentation. That was also good. But I just requesting you that if little bit hands-on session would be there, that would add more beneficial to us. Rest of the
Yes, ma'am.
things was good. A detailed FDPs was there by the resource person. The things that we have learned in depth, every topic was there. Thanks a lot, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, madam. Yeah, any other participant? Any other participant wants to say a few words? You can unmute and say a few words. Priyanka madam, anything you want to say?
Yeah, it was very good experience for me as well. Like I took around 2 sessions and it was such a wonderful. I really enjoyed teaching you all. So Sanjay sir, he worked so hard every time. Today he's busy. Still he has joined and he's taking some time. So it's really like he has really worked hard for this FDP. A lot of work he is been doing. Even he's in the busy schedules, he is making up the time to join the and interacting with us all. And I would like to thank Sanjay sir also and all the other coordinators, like some research scholars. They also helped us a lot. Supraja and Anusha, Navya. So they also helped us like while conducting this FDP. They also provided the support. And if you want to say anything, participants, you can just share.
Yeah, thank you very much, madam. Any other participant that you want to say anything? So most of you have asked regarding certificate. So already Priyanka madam and me, we proofread the certificate. So it is finalized from our end and we have sent to press with list of participants. Hope in the next week I will get the certificate and it will take another 5 or 6 days to take signature of all the authorities like director and E&ICT head. Then we'll scan the certificate. We'll scan all the certificate and I'll share the soft copy with you because recently E&ICT decided that all the certificate will be provided to you in soft copy, not in the hard copy. So I'll scan all the certificate and I'll say put in Google Drive material folder only. So I'll share the updated message so that you will get information and you can download your certificate. But the whole process, I think it will take around 15 to 20 days. I'll try to make it as soon as possible, but it may delay the process. So hardly within 20 days, I'll share all the soft copy of the certificates. So by that time, if you need any attendance certificate or if you need fee receipt, so you can personally write an email to me or Priyanka madam, and we'll give you a attendance certificate if it is required for your institute or if it is required to reimburse your registration amount, then you can personally write an email. So I'll reply you within 24 hours. I'll give you in my letterhead so that you can submit it to in your institute. And on behalf of the E&ICT Academy, I thank all the participants. I know as a faculty, as a research scholar, it is very difficult to attend a 40 hours lecture beyond your schedule. So all of us are almost faculty members. So you all are busy in various other assignments. But with that assignment also, you have spent your time and you have given your dedication in this program. So I hope all of you will again join in our further program related to cloud, IoT, and fog. I also like to thank all the speakers. Mostly strong speakers agreed at the end. They are from industry, so I would like to thank them that with a short period of time they have agreed to give presentations. And most of the faculties from NITs, IITs, central universities, they have also given their consent in very short period of time, although we have not reached the 50 participant. That is the reason why we have made request to all the resource person at the last moment. But whatever maybe they have agreed to give their valuable experience in this faculty development program. And anyhow, any information you require or anything, anybody is working in cloud and other areas, you can also collaborate with the faculty members of NIT Warangal so that we can jointly write paper projects and other things. So the group is live. You can be a part of this group to get update information. Anything you are also conducting in your institute, you can share in your group. So we can also participate. We can also involve in your program. I also like to thank E&ICT staff and chief investigator of E&ICT, faculty members of our department, director, deans, registrar, and other people who are directly and indirectly associated with this program to make it a valuable one. So thank you everyone. So I'm this is all from my side. So we'll close the session here.
Thank you, sir. Good night, sir.
Yes, welcome, sir.
Uh,
So I'm
Thank you,
closing
sir.
this meeting.
Okay,
thank
thank
you.
you everyone, and thank you for your feedback also. In the upcoming sessions, we'll
Dr.
just
Sanjay,
get
I
into
have just one query.
Yeah,
Actually,
please.
it is a concern. One last thing.
Yeah,
Uh, because you will be providing only soft copy, can you just drop a mail to all the participants that hard copy will not be provided and
yeah,
soft
yeah,
copy
yeah.
will.
But whatever
I
official
am
letter is
asking is
required.
this because
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
when we present this certificate to authorities for like promotion or something, they will ask for hard copies, and
Yeah,
then
yeah,
we
yeah.
will tell them that we were not provided with hard copy. They will ask some kind of proof. So
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
mail will do the thing, I think.
Yeah, yeah. Anything is required. This is
Yeah,
okay, but
just
anything
a
is
common
required
mail, I
from
think, to
my
all the
side.
participants. That will be fine.
Anything, yeah, yeah. Anything is required from my side and Priyanka madam side. You can write email to both of us. I'll write and I'll give you. There is nothing to worry because if it is required to your institute and other things, then I'll definitely write and I'll share with you.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Thank you, everyone. So I'm closing this meeting.